Meaning of interception.
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 Interception. Interception generally refers to the act of stopping or interrupting something or someone that is in motion. It can have a variety of specific meanings depending on the context in which it is used. For example, in sports, interception often refers to the act of a defensive player catching a pass intended for an offensive player. In military or law enforcement contexts, interception can refer to the act of preventing communication or supplies from reaching an intended target. In general, interception can refer to any situation where something is stopped or prevented from reaching its intended destination.